Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Cape Town City FC winger Jayden Rhodes is set for a move to Austrian Bundesliga side SV Ried. SV Ried have finally landed Rhodes' signature after club-to-club agreement was reached between SV Ried and Cape Town City FC. Personal terms between Rhodes and SV Ried has also been agreed. The 23-year-old is seen as the perfect replacement for Antonio van Wyk, who has completed his move to Mamelodi Sundowns for an undisclosed transfer fee. Cape Town City FC youth product is the third South African to join SV Ried after Antonio van Wyk and Yusuf Maat. The Cape Town-born tricky winger has been one of the most outstanding players in the Citizens side throughout the season. And Cape Town City has also confirmed the departure of their head coach, Jan Vermaat, just after one season, after failing to get promotion to the Betway Premiership via the playoffs. And while we're on the topic of a head coach being sacked, South African tactician Fadlu Davids has parted ways with Moroccan giants Raja Casablanca after a 2-0 loss away at KAC Marrakesh on Tuesday, the 9th of June. Davids has been under intensifying pressure after dropping to 5th place in the Botola Pro League, despite Raja just trailing the log leaders RS Berkane by just 4 points. Recent defeats to Wydad, Berkane, as well as Marrakesh seemed to have decided Davids' fate at the helm of the Green Eagles. And former Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nezraddin Nabi is expected to land in Casablanca, as both sides have already agreed in principle on a contract lasting until the end of the season, with only minor details left to settle in person before the move is made official. And lastly, Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Miguel Reisinho is in talk over a potential early termination of his contract ahead of the 2026-27 season. The Portugal youth international joined the club as a free agent after leaving Boa Vista upon their financial struggles after relegation to the second tier. He arrived with high expectations as one of the most technically gifted footballers to emerge from the youth structures of Portugal. Much like his career, things have not gone as expected. After being sent off with a straight red card minutes into his official debut, it's been a stop-start season for the 27-year-old as he failed to establish himself in the starting lineup. And the form of Jayden Adams put him further down the pecking order, alongside Marcelo Allende and Teboho Mokoena as undroppable stars in Miguel Cardoso's system. The player is now seeking regular first team minutes, and if not at Mamelodi Sundowns, he is looking towards to a new move for the upcoming season to reignite his career. Reisinho joined Mamelodi Sundowns alongside compatriot Nuno Santos, who's fared much better since his arrival, starting in a more advanced midfield role, scoring 5 goals with 11 assists in 36 games. Meanwhile, Reisinho just featured in 14 appearances across all competitions, scoring 2 goals with 1 assist. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Miguel Reisinho possibly parting ways with Mamelodi Sundowns? Let me hear your thoughts down below regarding the news today. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.